It's time for a sweet treat. Here's how to make tres leches. Before we get started, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, separate the egg whites and yolks. Add a tablespoon of caster sugar to the yolks. With only the egg whites in the Ooni Halo Pro mixing bowl, set the mixer to 100% and whisk the egg whites for 1 minute 30 seconds. Keeping the speed at 100%, set the timer to 9 minutes and add the remaining caster sugar 1 tablespoon every 10 seconds. Use your whisk to beat the egg yolks in the large mixing bowl until it's pale in color and doubled in volume. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and stir to combine. Now sieve half the flour and salt into the large bowl. Mix until it's combined and repeat with the remaining milk and flour. Check the consistency of the egg whites. It should be thick and glossy, holding a firm peak. Add a heaping tablespoon of the meringue to the egg yolk batter and fold around 10 times with each addition. Now pour the batter into an ungreased and unlined baking tin. Smooth the top of the cake. Place it in the oven and reduce the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. Turn off the oven and leave it slightly ajar. Cool the cake in the oven for 5 minutes before removing. Once the cake is completely cool, leave the cake in the tin and poke it all over with a skewer. Mix the evaporated milk, condensed milk, and whole milk together until combined, and pour half of the mixture over the cake and let it sit to absorb before pouring the remaining mixture onto the cake. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Shortly before serving, whisk the double cream and icing sugar into the Ooni Halo Pro mixing bowl at 50% for about 20 seconds. Then increase the speed to 70% for between 3 to 4 minutes until the cream reaches soft peaks. Top the cake with whipped cream and sprinkle with ground cinnamon. Slice it up and enjoy this delicious sweet treat.